give y'all some. Let me give y'all some ASMR. Come on now. Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV video. Just got me a little mac and cheese from Chick-fil-A. And we finna roll home, dude. Waste my time. Everybody shining, can't nobody stop from grinding. I like the way, I like the back. We had sex, on the inside. I spent the chick, look how you ride. She had me broken, grinding. We had it rough. Break it, you tough, and I'm inside. Time I was stuck, ain't know what it matters. Never depend on nobody. Stuck up your bus, my rules with nobody. I go to sleep and I get it in the night. Me in the night, when they went on the Friday. Check out the corners, the young gonna go to my bitch, you the one that she feel like the wrong. I want this fly out the window. Everybody shining, nobody stopping, right? I like the way, I like the back. We had sex, on the inside. I spent the chick, look how you ride. She had me broken, right? We had it rough. Break it, you tough, and still inside. Time I was looking, ain't know what it matters. Never depend on nobody. Stack up your bus, my rules with nobody. I go to sleep and I get a deposit. Went down the video, you me in the pilot. Wednesday we landing on Friday. It's perfect time. I can see clear, clarity down. Ice on the creek, everybody shining, can't nobody stop me, right? I like the way, I like the back. We had the sex, on the inside. I spent the chick, look how you ride. She had me broken, we had it rough. Break cause you tough and still inside. Time I was looking, ain't know what it matters. Never depend on nobody. Take up your bus, my roof, nobody. I go to sleep and I get it in house. Keep that get the house. Bro, this road is cop infested, bro. Diamonds all on my wrist, diamonds all on my neck. No, I'm always gonna flex. No, I'm always gonna go get a check. Brought a brand new block. Had to get rid of my tech. If he reach for my neck, put his ass on bed rest. Yeah, I'm on 3 different pills. Yo, I hit some crazy pot, bro. I don't know what I hit, bro. I'm pretty sure it broke my axle or my ball joint, bro. I don't even know, bro. I don't even know, bro. I hit some crazy. Something snapped, for sure. Big knots, big rocks, big one man, big true. No, I flex him up so solid. Kick back at the house, hoes running everywhere. Draco with a drum, I bring that bitch everywhere. My bitch came home, man. I know she ain't going nowhere. Face hundreds in my bed. Without it, I can't go nowhere. Let's go. Snatch my chain on no. Up on me, no. Bitch, your gun low. Right in front of the stove. I got brand new hoes. Ain't tripping on my ex. Versace on my toes. I don't do nothing but flicks. I'm covered up in design. Way that I dress, you would think I'm a stylist. I lost my Cuban, I couldn't even find it. I buy another one just for the mileage. Open the Glock in the club and I shine it. Out in the streets, nigga, know I ain't hiding. Go want your new, yeah, I want you to try. That they with it, they know it's fine. Up on me, no. Off that X I roll. Red hot take 4 fours. Count racks while on the road. Fucking and smashing these hoes. I pass it to my bros. I thank the Lord I blow. Over $100,000 in clothes. Look. Back, no dells, leave a nigga, stell, tech, no cal, one hand, Odell, snell, water, well,
Somebody shit right.
in the mouth. We set oppositions to hell. Told these niggas they snitches hotels. Cause there's no hit on my shelves. Pass on my face when we running your place, and we need every combination to the safe. And if you corroborate, everyone say got a Spanish bitch, yeah, she looked into me face. I say, little bitch, do you like how this shit taste? She said, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, and six. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna get on my deal. I'm a bad way of reverend, I feel like I'm lace. Yeah, bitch with me, but she got me by 8, cause you know Lil Uzi do not walk with no kick. Don't ride no bait, but my niggas, they apes, and we walk with bananas that bust at your grave. Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean gon' lay on my neck, little bitch, this not a lake.
Dirty, don't wanna bring in attorneys that ain't a nigga. Turn me to a snake, I ain't a strapped to Moses. Don't gotta lie about my numbers, cause my God show it. I paid golders, so pass over the dust. The wax shoulder, the buzz, the last soldier gon' clutch. So my genius on your dead and into DNA, we weighing it, and we escaped the gun and had you being snakes. All the law was in a vibe, surface hiding in the surface, and we hunting you down. All the law was in a vibe, surface hiding in the surface, when we hunting you down.
The head is slow, too busy hunting you down. We first caught you niggas was 4th down, unassessed, no slapping. I'm avoiding the crowd, I put my faith in myself, cause niggas riddle with doubt. They need therapy the way that they sound. I need therapy, I'm riding the sign. I put my pain in the shit, and I ain't aiming to miss. It's front line, niggas take you shit. Take scripts the way I'm trying to raise. And it ain't pros with the bar getting raised. The mommy say we raised. The case, I feel muted, I was stuck in the cage. I still feel it when I'm stuck in my ways. I'm stifling zero, not over. I'm in the air, I don't treat my comments for air. Texted on you with your eye, we gon' frame it on tilt. And dance around on the madness like I was balancing still.
Working that drink in my hand, got a grind on the stick with your game, no need solo advice. All this ice in my chain, you can't think it's some dust in my bitch, been staying drunk. Line when they pop, when you left with the clock. Hot, she want this, what's on the chain. Bitch disappeared in, check my name. She click gears in, sending claims. The clip on neck stretch like an ostrich. I would never stoop down for some fun shit. And a lane up from Gacy and Compton. Push your window seat to the same optic. Makes it possible, I want to south it. She like ready, get cheddar, I'm talented. Being broke to me, I got an allergy. My cook Freddy and empty, I'm dappy. Don't be scared, can't end it now, drafting. Little bitch, I'm the deep in the fathom. I get rich, take a shit on you mad at us. I ain't sure I can reach in the captain. Only salvage this shit with the savage. Ask a question, it's practical, I'm capping. Break a heart, keep a piece of the fraction. I can solve it, I seem really fast. Trust I'm scrapping it, bitch. I make it laugh, bring it back, bitch. Roll through 5 need to pack this bitch.
Let me get y'all some. Let me get y'all some ASMR. Come on now.
My name, click gears in, sending clays. The clip on neck stretch like an ostrich. I would never stoop down for some fun shit. And a lane up from Gacy and Compton. Pushing paint on the same optic. Makes it possible, I want to south it. She like ready, get cheddar, I'm talented. Being broke to me, I got an allergy. My cook Freddy and empty, I'm dappy. Don't be scared, can't end it now, drafting. Little bitch, I'm the deep in the fathom. I get rich, take a shit on you mad at us. I ain't sure I can reach in the cabin. Only salvage this shit with the
Dude, I hit something like that earlier. Like what? Dude, I hit something like that earlier. Man, I'm telling you something, bro. Yeah, I gotta watch out for the bass, bro. It distorts the whole audio.
Shit on the sleep in the nighttime. Can't you be tripping that you out your right mind? Y'all know with me all that fire on anybody. Get off the legs and get it, can't have to pity part. Rockstar trap, I feel like Ed Hart. Going to sleep cause I keep seeing dead body. Pull up in the two-door slime with low mouth. Mirror denim jeans, I stuff them with dyes. Top shells, I smoke a bitch, did the real. He posted that glitz on the green, he got enough. Rip my cup, nigga, been that spill. I'm real drug rich, I can show you some real. Gay out to your tune, to test the pill. I ain't buying that booth on the deal with the real. Bitch, do the right thing for Celine, I'ma kill him. See my wrist in the bone, nigga, watch how I get it. Scary ass nigga, why you doing all that fit? If I look down for you, cool, don't mention. I play too smooth, yeah, I bet they remember. Act tough if you want, turn your ass to a member.
I don't know where to bump at, but
ARP sing like boys the man. You and the rest of the boys you
right there.
Perk back to back, paranoid shit. Real PTSD, I'm clutching my stick. Come on, the hood, somebody get hit. God
lit like get shot your shit. Fake shot gang, shit back gang. Don't go in that savvy, get back gang. Spray that gang, take that gang. If you got a problem, say that gang. Try to toot up like a race car gang. This not a Drake, this an AR gang. I'm gonna be shades like Ray Charles gang. Ice ice baby, I'm not the vanilla. Glock at your back and take all the filler. Put the gloves on with the dog, watch how you deal. Spot being with checkers, we gon' make it kill. It ain't down to the ground, pick it up and hit him. Live my life like a moth on Billy. Hitting shit, Gucci tagging strikes, stepping in Italy. Glock 26 compact with a dick in. Copy the real on the way to authentic.
No cap, one hand, Odell, snap, water, well, in the mouth. We send oppositions to hell. These niggas, they snitches gon' tell. Cause there's no hit on my
I gotta do an oil change, so I don't know, should I do an oil change for the video? I might do like a little quick, little short, little something.
Corroborate, everyone say got a Spanish bitch, yeah, she love giving me face. I say, little bitch, who you like? I just think she said, who the those look like no people and said, trying to figure out how I'm gonna get on my deal. I'm a bad boy, I'm never, and I feel like I'm late. Give it to me, but she got me by 8, cause you know the Uzi do not walk with no kick. Don't ride no bait with my niggas.
I might do a
I don't need nobody, I already made it. You know that part. I just gotta keep telling you, you know, just doing this. Straight song, like a rape bar, you know it cutter, I write raps, write on your name on the butter, weak nigga, let a bitch make him go against his brother, spent 3,300 on the plain black hoodie, I'm sick of this, it's shit that come with the shit, got in trouble for that hard, had a phone with that bitch, I be training like a family, put his blood in this shit, have a slime, have a snake, out your cousin and shit, choose blood or the water, the whole lean in the mix, hold on, I don't play no games, nigga, cut it, slap, if I was, you know, twist it, pull it, back in 3 days, I done pull like 9 trade, go to cash, if I can't do my grind, this shit'll piss off niggas' stats, feel like twin on the server, now I'm phone, I got a crew red, eating like kitchen, BBs like Kool-Aid, how much for the paint, if you want 10 of me with 2 pay, I just tryna beat around the bush, this ain't shit right, I ain't never got it with a person, I ain't hit, so the hill drop, rap, flood, damn high grade, both side cap, crack, see the like it ain't fit, free the bros, I'm down real high, ain't shit, show me about 8 people, and I'm
dude, I don't even know if that was a cop. I just called that somebody was gonna come there, right? The road is bad here. I think right here. No, right here.